بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Human life is the finest and most precious form of life on earth. Continuation of life requires a sense of care and support. To sustain an equilibrium of life, it is necessary that less privileged people are supported by the ones who are healthy and resourceful. The financially challenged individuals require help and care. On the other hand, caring individuals and organizations become a ray of hope for them. Kashif Foundation, led by Mr. Iqbal Ahmed Qarshi, and Nemat Salim Trust, led by Mr. Javed Ashraf Bhatti and Mr. Mia Muhammad Ehsan, are such individuals and organizations with resources and kind heart to support the underprivileged. In 2014, a new journey began when Kashif Foundation and Nemat Salim Trust joined hands with Dr. Abdul Bari Khan, the CEO of the Indus Health Network, to work together to provide free of cost, indiscriminate, quality healthcare to the underserved Pakistanis. To reach out to more and more people, the government of Punjab approached the newly formed alliance to manage its hospitals.
और ये जो हमारे जो सरों की ताज हैं जिन्होंने इस बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी जो कबूल की है, बेड़ा उठाया है अज़्म समीम के साथ, कल्ब समीम के साथ कि हमने दुखी इंसान की खिदमत करनी है, अल्लाह ताला इनकी काविशों को कबूल फरमाए.
The government of Punjab appreciated the intent to serve humanity and granted the management of the Rajab Tayyib Erdogan Hospital in Muzaffargarh to the Trust and the Indus Health Network. The Trust accepted the challenge of this first project. This welfare project is financially supported by the government of Punjab, while the Indus Health Network looks after all the hospital's functions. The 60-bed hospital's capacity was soon increased to 143 bed, which will be expanded to 400 beds by the end of 2017. Through the state-of-the-art facilities, the hospital is serving thousands of patients, and to date, more than 650,000 patients have been treated absolutely free of cost. As a result of welfare services of the Trust, the government of Punjab in 2016 handed over the management of the 60-bed Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif Hospital located at Bediya Road in Lahore to the regional board of the Indus Health Network and the Trust. Since then, the hospital has treated around 300,000 patients and it will soon be expanded to a 100-bed facility. Additionally, the management of 100-bed Tehsil headquarter hospitals located at Manawa, Sabzazar, Raivind Road and Kahana Road in Lahore and the Multan Institute of Kidney Diseases in Multan were also given to the Trust.
और फिर इंडस हॉस्पिटल का ये एक एनजीओ है, पाकिस्तानी एनजीओ, जिसके रूह रहमान मियां हसन पंजाब में और डॉक्टर बारी हैं. ये फरिश्ता सिर्फ इंसान है. मैं ये अगर कहूँ तो ये बात गलत नहीं, बाखुदा मैं आपको दिल की गहराई मुझे ये बात कर रहा हूँ.
Similarly, the number of beds of these Punjab government hospitals functioning under the Indus Health Network will be increased through the Trust to 1,000 by March 2018. With an expenditure of $50 million, 2 million patients will be treated in these hospitals. Currently, all hospitals are equipped with the latest and state-of-the-art medical facilities. The medical, surgical, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, orthopedics and urology wards have been developed according to international standards and are equipped with the latest medical equipment and services. The ICUs and CCUs have been equipped with the latest and highest quality machines to ensure that critical care patients receive quality care and services at the hospitals. Kashif Foundation and Nemat Salim Trust journey does not end here. The foundation and the trust donated their precious piece of land located in Jubilee Town, Lahore, and a generous amount of fund to the Indus Health Network to build the Indus Hospital, Punjab. The construction of the hospital has already begun and the first basement construction has been completed. On this 120 canal land, the Kashif Foundation has taken the responsibility to build a medical college, hostels, school of nursing, and a modern faith center under the guidance of Kashif Institute of Health Sciences. Indus Health Network is working actively to complete the construction of Indus Hospital Punjab, Jubilee Town, Lahore. With an approximate cost of $65 million, it plans to functionalize the first phase of the hospital based on 225 beds by December 2018. The total estimated cost of the entire project is more than $100 million. And to meet the financial needs, a large number of individuals and organizations have come forward to join the trust and the network in accomplishing this mission. Mr. Naseem Riaz, head of NRQ Foundation, and their trustees have joined the cause as the primary sponsor and have committed to donate $10 million. Mr. Imtiaz Ghani, Mr. Anwar Ghani, and Mr. Aftab Ghani of Ghani Foundation have committed to donate $2.5 million for one of the blocks of the hospital. Mr. Mia Talat Mahmood and Mr. Mia Ahmed Fazil of Orient Group and their families have also committed to sponsor a block with $2.5 million. Dr. Yahya Chawla of Barki Corporation has sponsored diagnostics block with a donation of $1 million. Supporting the cause, Mr. Khaja Arif Qasim of Shan Banaspati and Oil Mills, Mr. Tariqullah Sufi of Sufi Group, Mr. Irfan Iqbal Sheikh of Al Fatah Store, Mr. Rana Iqbal of Khalis Ghee have also committed to donate millions of dollars to establish different units and wards in the hospital. Mr. Ijaz Ahmed Sikka of Brighter Paints and Mr. Chaudhry Ilyas of Chaudhry Foundation have also committed to donate millions of dollars to establish different units and wards in the hospital. Whereas the other generous donors who have joined hands to support the Indus Hospital, Jubilee Town, Punjab include the Izhar Group, Mr. Javed Salim Qureshi of Four Brothers, Mr. Khaja Azhar of Faisal Movers, Mr. Khaja Jalaluddin Rumi of Mahmood Textile, Mr. Sohail Khan of J. Dot, and Mr. Haji Aslam of Al Boutique Center. With the grace of Almighty, the journey started by Kashif Foundation and Nemat Salim Trust has now formed a caravan. Numerous donors and supporters are contributing towards the development of the Indus Hospital, Jubilee Town, Punjab. With the completion of the 550-bed state-of-the-art Indus Hospital, Jubilee Town, Punjab, more than 1 million patients will benefit from its free-of-cost premium healthcare services annually. The annual operation expense for the hospital will be approximately $27.5 million, which will be managed through generous donations in the form of zakat, sadqats, and general donations by kind-hearted individuals and organizations. Indus Health Network. Free, indiscriminate, and best healthcare for all.